Hi everyone! We have another swap entry and this comes from Jennifer. Look at her pretty card. I love how pretty this is and like the glitter sticks to it. So stinking cute, and then it like opens up. I liked that. I thought that was really cool. So she sent me a little goodie. Thank you so much. And as I was getting the card out, I was already dying over these pics. You have to let me know where you got these from. I've never seen these. Like, look at that ghosty and trick or treat, the little jack-o'-lantern, the pumpkin, and the little witch's hat. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. I need to know where those are from. And then she sent... Oh, that's genius. Oh, not even in frame. So it's a little magnet and it's to hold all the itty bitty little dies. And then she threw in a couple of skulls that are really cool. Never seen those guys before. Definitely didn't know I needed those, but I needed those. And then over here we have, oh, I like this container. Oh my gosh, we just got a ton of little goodies in here. Oh, I like this chain. Look at that. Love the chain. Some little die cuts, some buttons, some charms, some felts. I think there's like little die cuts back here. Yep, little die cuts. Oh, it's a Mickey one. Oh my gosh, I love it. It's so funny. So... it's early in the morning right now. This video will be put up today, and I'm on my way to Disneyland after I drop off my dad at dialysis. I'm just going for the day with Sunny and my mom, so that's going to be a whole lot of fun. Super cute. Look at the little, like, tubey. Really pretty. There's some stars in there. I don't know where she got this little tubey from. I usually get this tube confetti at Dollar Tree. So I've never seen the purple one like that. So let's jump into her swap. So here's what her swap looks like. She has her info on the bottom. Cute. Look, the sea has like a little spider web to it. That is so cute. Love it. Over here we have some little flatbacks. Oh, that's cute. I don't think I've seen that little flatback before. Oh, I love this one. I got some of these from Temu. Oh, the little mushroom house. How cute. Love that. Then in this one, we have some batty bats and some spiders. Oh, I like that spider. And then we have some ribbon. This is a really cute ribbon. I really, really like that. And in our next compartment, we have some little charms. Oh, look at that ghosty. So that's a bead. We got some little charms. Our next compartment, she made a little tag. And we have some more flatbacks. Then we got a little pumpkin that she made into like a pin for your pegboard. Then we have some little clothespins at the bottom. And this side we have some felties and some buttons. Oh, I like this one. That's cute. That little pumpkin guy. That's really cute. And our next one we have some bones, some flatbacks, and some candy corn. And our last compartment, she made a sequence mix using that same little tubey that I had in that little jar. So stinking cute. And then you can save this washi right here because you have, this is Happy Halloween. Really cute. You could definitely reuse that. And then here was the lid of her compartments. Thank you so much for joining my swap. You'll have to let me know where these little pumpkins came from and those pics too. Those are so cute. Our next swap entry comes from Teresa, and she sent this super cute little card right here. Girlie, you're not late. The last day to mail out was October 1st, so you are right on time. So she said the bag's for me, but I'm dying over her swap, you guys. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Did you cut this with your Cricut? Or this has to be with the Cricut, right? This can't be a die. I am obsessed with it. And she did the drippy blood back here. Oh my gosh, so cool. And then she is on IG. So I'll definitely leave her link down below. But I love this so much. Let's see. Oh my gosh, you guys, I am dying. She sent me this boo. That is Jack and Sally. I love this so much. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I'm going to put it up on my ofrenda for this year. I love it. Oh my gosh, so pretty. Oh, I see. I need to bring out my Cricut. Okay, here's the little goodie bag that she sent for me. Ooh, I like that little bag. I haven't seen that one before. Let's see. Oh, some candy. So that's... Okay, I was going to show you guys this. This is part of her swap too. So she sent you guys candy too. So I got a little candy bag. I'm going to take this with me. Like I said, we are leaving to Disneyland after this. So I'm going to put that in my bag. Oh my gosh, how cute. Was this from the Cricut too? Or is this a die? Or is this laser cut? I have no idea, but I love it. Thank you so much. Oh, and then she sent me an embellishment box. So I think it's the same, just a different size. So let's jump on into the swap. So like I said, here is her super cute swap. Oh my gosh, look. And she did a mini little scream. Oh, I love this so much. And let's see, we have some wire wrap beads. Got this huge little pumpkin charm. Oh, I like that little candy. Let's see. Oh, this is cool. Look at that. It's like a little cage jewel. Oh, look at this one. It's like a dragon claw. Okay, I need to go get some of those. Oh my gosh, how tiny and cute is this? How did you do this? Oh my god, I need to know your ways. How is this done? I need to make some of these. Is there a tutorial on this? That is so tiny and so cute. Oh my goodness. Love all of it. In our next one, we have sequined flowers. I've seen a tutorial on this one, so I don't know if she bought these or made these, but there is definitely a tutorial on YouTube on how to make sequined flowers. So I know I saved it. I haven't tried it, but it looks really cool. And then she made a little rhinestone bottle cap. I love it. This is like so my vibe. The dark colors, the like spooky vibe. Oh, look, she has Maleficent. And she has a little ghosty. I have some of these, but mine are bigger. So I don't know where that little small one came from. He's really cool. Oh my gosh, this is a bead? Where is this from? Okay, I definitely have not seen this dude before. And he is huge. He's really big. He's like at least an inch by like an inch and a half. He's really big. He's really cool. Oh, yay. And they've got a chain of spiders. You guys know how much I love my spiders. So that's really cool. And that chain you could just go ahead and add some beads to. And then you already have it all nice and done for you. So that's really nice. And our next compartment. Oh, Oogie Boogie. I went to the Oogie Boogie Bash this year at Disneyland. We had so much fun. Oh, this is a bunch of like flat back goodies. So there's like flowers. Oh, I like that flower. That's nice. So we have some flowers. We have some rhinestones. Ooh, look at that eyeball. That is so cool. Oh, look at that spider with the rhinestones. Oh, these are nice. And then we have some more little flatbacks. There's like a tombstone and a skull. What else is in here? Little ghosty. A little like angry bear. Oh my gosh, so cute. Our next compartment. Oh my gosh, cute. So she took like webbing and made leaves. Has this flower. glued on one of those spider rhinestones that was in this container, and then added some of that like fake spider web. That is so cool. And then you got a couple little crocheted flowers here. You can definitely take some of those little spiders like this one and add it on these too. Oh my gosh, that is so stinking cute. Okay, totally copying you. Gonna totally make some of those. That is so stinking cool. And oh, we got another one over here. Those are nice. Really, really like those. And over here, oh, we have some wax seals. So we have spider webs. Then we have another one of those rhinestone bottle caps. This one has a like witchy kitty. So it's actually like a little cat. It kind of looks like a stained glass too. Really, really stinking cute. Thank you so much for joining my swap. See, I love doing these. You guys give me the best ideas. I would have never thought to take a felt flower and put some fake spider web and some webbing as leaves and the little spider. Like, so stinking cute, and love this. Oh my gosh. Sewing machine and my Cricut. Like, I need to just set them up, take them off the shelf in the garage because that's where they live, and set them up and have them out, because when I see your guys' stuff, I'm like, oh my gosh, I could do this probably, maybe with a couple tutorials. Like, I could figure it out, and I just get so inspired by you guys. You guys are just the best. Thank you everybody for watching. Thank you everybody that's joined the swap. You all are so amazing, and we'll see you later. Bye guys.